we are here with Hiro Takagi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too. And he's a senior manager by IBM Japan,
Yes.
and he just spoke about artificial intelligence and IoT, which means things for. Sorry, what is the extension for IoT? You can tell it better.
Yes, and so aging in place is our ideal and long-term goal. So how we can allow elderly people live long in their house, at their house or in their community. That's very important. But in order to that, we need technologies. Now we have IoT sensors, and IoT sensors are improving, and also it's becoming much more reasonable, cheap, and also AI is now advancing with data. So IoT data and also AI technologies are combined to enable various types of solutions to enable aging in place. That is the most important point of my talk. Yes.
Of course. So they interact to make elderly people life better. And I especially appreciated that once that got you through the streets, and especially for people that does not see very well, or they are completely blind. So all these devices, how much are spread out in Japan and all over the world? So how many of these devices that you spoke about are already on the market?
Yes, and in the talk, I introduced various technologies, and one of the technology was the smartphone tablet app for the elderly, and the tablet app was already deployed to 1,000 elderlies, and also it introduced and piloted in many countries, and so I believe this smartphone app type technology will be soon utilized by elderly in the world. And other technologies for the navigation technology, as you said, and we are now working to spread the technology in Tokyo area. And actually, we will have Tokyo Olympics in 2020. That's why, not only, including Japanese government and other companies are very interested in to enable Japanese underground area or buildings in Tokyo area, to make them accessible for the blind or Paralympic participants. That's one of the big topics. So we hope to do something at towards the Tokyo Olympics. Yes, 2020. 2020 is one of the target for the technology. Yes.
Very interesting. Just one last question, Mr. Takagi. You mentioned Watson, which is a new possibility for especially business platforms that put in communications, doctors and patients. Yes. How much this application will be important for senior citizens?
I see. So Watson has various features. One of the function is conversational interface, and so conversational interface is very important to reduce the barrier, lower the barrier to access the IoT IT devices. And actually, you saw the conversational interface door. It's very, isn't it cute, right? Yes. The cuteness is one important factor to lower the mental psychological barrier for elderly to interact with IT devices. So there are so many ways, the conversational interface or cute device, and also sensing their daily behavior and analyze behind the scene. So in the case, they don't need to care anything about it. So Watson has various technologies like voice recognition, text analytics, and computer vision technology, image recognition, and we are fully utilizing these basic AI components, and then enable such solutions. So yes, in the sense, Watson is very important.